Right, now I'll show you how to install a virtual machine from template and then a virtual machine just standard ISO. Right, log into your vCenter first. Right, once you've logged in, go to your first host, which is ESX1 or ESX2. Doing virtual machine. Create a new virtual machine. Click next. Whatever you're going to call it, click next. Compute resource, ESX1 or ESX2, not 3, because 3 is your hot failover for HA. Right, select your data store. For yours it'll be the large data store, not the small one. ESX it'll be 7 and later, next. Right, and you're going to put in Windows, and we'll put in, say, I don't know, Windows 7. Right, and then you can go through the basic functions. How many CPUs you want to use, how many core, expand that, and you can go to how many cores. Hot add, we're not going to do that, so that's fine. Reservation limits, all the standard stuff. Right, then you're going to go to the hard disk size and the memory size. Say 8 gig. It won't run on that. And then you're going to go to new D. So client device, you're going to go to content library, ISO file. It's going to browse, and there's Windows 7. I've got a couple of other ones as well. This will be from your content file. This will be the TCS template that's a clone copy of all your virtual machines. So if you want to involve and make a new virtual machine based on that one, the only things you'd have to change is obviously things like IP addressing, names, everything like that, so that'll be fine. So pick that one. Okay. Right, also make sure it's connected. Just click to come connected, because otherwise it won't build. Finish. It's a brief summary what you're having. You'll have a different network card. We'll pick up. Finish. And there's your new machine, virtual machine there. Right, so power on. We'll go to the remote console, which you've got installed on the support laptop. If you ever want to download that locally to your machine that you're using vCenter on, look for the VMware remote console software. You can download it. Right, starting Windows, blah blah blah, and it's 7, and then go through the installation steps and all that sort of stuff. So that's quite easy. Then obviously the remote console, just for, if you enable RDP, then you can RDP into it afterwards, or your guys can use that, so that's not a problem. So once you've done that, it's just a case of watching the resource in your data store. To release the mouse, by the way, it's Control and Alt, always releases the mouse, and then you can go back on to the other one. What I'll do is I'll put the second part of this video will just be how to put an ISO on the ESX on your vCenter and dump it into the content library so you can build from that area.